Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is, what is the radius of this quarter circle? How can we solve this? This is R and this is A, this is B and this is C. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle in a quarter circle. So this angle will be 45 degree. If this is 45 degree, this angle will be 45 degree. If both are 45 degree, then this length will be equal to 4. Let this is point D and this is point E. Draw a line from D to B and this will be also equal to R. And this length will be equal to BE will be equal to R minus 4. Now triangle B, D and E, this triangle is a right angle triangle. So we can write R square is equal to 8 square 4 plus 4, 8 square plus R square plus R minus 4 whole square. Now we will simplify this. R square is equal to 64 plus R square minus 8R plus 16. This R square is cancelled with this R square and simplify this. 8R will be equal to 80. Dividing both sides by 8, we will get R is equal to 10 centimeter. And this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.